If Lucidchart is showing error 500, don't panic. That message usually means an internal server error, but in many cases, the real cause is something on your side, like a browser cache issue, a bad extension, a network problem, or even a corrupted document. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest ways to fix Lucidchart error 500 step by step. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes just like this. Let's start with the simplest test first. Open Lucidchart in an incognito or private browsing window. If you're using Chrome, click the three dots in the top right corner and choose New Incognito window. If you're using another browser, look for a private window option. Then sign in to Lucidchart and try opening the same document again. If Lucidchart works normally in private mode, that's a strong sign the problem is coming from your regular browser session, not the Lucidchart service itself. If that happens, the next thing you should do is clear your browser cache and cookies. Old or corrupted browsing data can interfere with how Lucidchart loads your files. Go into your browser settings, find privacy and security, and then look for clear browsing data. Make sure both cookies and other site data and cached images and files are selected. Clear the data, then fully close your browser and open it again. After that, go back to Lucidchart and sign in again. This step fixes a lot of strange loading errors because it gives the browser a fresh start. Now, if the problem is still there, check your browser extensions. Some ad blockers, VPN extensions, privacy tools, or security add-ons can block scripts that Lucidchart needs to function properly. Open your extension manager and temporarily disable anything that could interfere with website behavior. Start with ad blockers and VPN extensions first because those are the most common culprits. Once they're disabled, refresh Lucidchart and see if the error goes away. If it does, you can re-enable your extensions one by one to find out which one is causing the issue. Another important thing to check is your network. Sometimes a restricted work network, school network, firewall rule, or unstable internet connection can trigger error 500 in Lucidchart. If you're on a VPN, disconnect it temporarily and try loading the document again. If you're on a corporate or school network, your administrator may need to allow Lucidchart through the network filters. You can also test using a mobile hotspot to see if your Wi-Fi is the issue. If Lucidchart loads on hotspot but not on your regular network, then you've narrowed it down to a network restriction or connection problem. Now here's the last fix, and it's especially useful if the error only happens with one specific file. In that case, the document itself may be corrupted or too complex. Create a new blank document in Lucidchart first. Then, if possible, open the broken document and copy its contents. You can use Ctrl+A to select everything, then Ctrl+C to copy it. If the document still opens from your document list, you may also be able to create a copy first. After that, paste the content into the new blank document with Ctrl+V. Once you confirm the new file works properly, you can delete the old broken document if needed. If the document is very large or has too many objects, moving everything into a fresh file often resolves the issue because it removes hidden corruption and reduces load stress. So if the error only affects one file, this is one of the best fixes to try. To quickly recap, start with incognito mode, then clear your cache and cookies, disable conflicting extensions, check your VPN and network, and if needed, move the content into a new Lucidchart document. Following those steps in order gives you the best chance of fixing Lucidchart error 500 without wasting time. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step software tutorials and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.